G'day everyone, today we're going to make sky blue. Now depending on what time of the day it is, sky blue could be any colour. So there's different shades of sky blue. So Derivan paints from Australia send me these paints. So I'm going to be using these paints today to make sky blue. So let's get stuck into it. So anyway, we've got titanium white. We're going to start off with the titanium white first and put some on my tile here. A little bit of ultramarine blue. Right. Small amount of magenta. Right. Lemon yellow. Right. So first off, we just mix a small amount of blue with the white. Right. So anyway, I'm just going to mix a small amount of blue with the white, just a small amount on the palette knife there, mix it up with the white. Paint this on the paper and see what it looks like. Can't really see it. Got a very light blue colour. So now I'm just going to add a bit more blue to the white. Look at that. I think now what we're going to do is we're going to add a bit of magenta to the white, the mix. I don't put too much magenta in that, but anyway, you can have a look, see what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to add a bit more blue to that now. Okay. Now, I'm just going to add a bit of yellow. And a bit of blue, a bit more blue. There we go. Got a darker blue in there. A bit more darker as well. Now I'm just going to add a bit more ultramarine blue. Okay. Mix it up. Okay. Just add a little bit of more magenta there and see what happens. A bit more magenta. Take this on there. There we go. So we have some different variations of blue here, and I'd say that you know, these sort of colour blues would be, you know, the middle of the day, you know, and then as it gets lighter, it would get as the day goes on, the colour in the sky will get lighter and lighter and lighter. But then it gets to a point where it starts to get dark. As you know, it gets to dark, nighttime. Anyway, so that's it for the video, and I hope you like my video. Please subscribe for future updates. We'll see you all later.